Welcome back to my channel. Jada Vinci here with a holiday slay. In today's video, I showed you guys how I got my hair. I put Bantu knots in it, did a makeup get ready with me. If you're interested in seeing it, keep watching. You guys saw the clip of me putting the Bantu knots into this wig. If you don't know how to add an elastic band to your wigs, be sure to check out my last tutorial on how I did that. All right, we're gonna just put a bit of mousse on. We're not gonna do any baby hairs right now. We're gonna go on with our little band. And now we're gonna just start on our makeup. So what I actually wanted to share with you guys, this is the new tea, okay? 2020, I got you. Baby Dove, this Baby Dove lotion insensitive. This is the perfect moisturizer primer combination. So you don't have to go on with a moisturizer and you do not have to go on with a primer. You just need about that much. It moisturizes your skin and it leaves it feeling tacky for your foundation. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels so good. I put it on my skin once because I was like, oh, my daughter, I'm putting it on my daughter. What does it feel like on myself? And I was like, babe, go like this. It's tacky to you. And it's just like the perfect amount of tackiness. Oh, thank me later, y'all. I really don't even know what I want to do for my face. Trying to look cute. We're about to bring this year in right. Do you guys have any New Year's resolutions? Anything you want to do differently? You're just like, my life is perfect. Let us know if your life is perfect and you just, your life is just perfect. But I'm gonna go on with my Lorac in the shade Brunette, and I'm gonna just go on with that light color because if I decide to wear this wig, I'm gonna find out if I want to wear this wig after I take these curls out, because if these curls are ugly, we're taking this wig off. So I don't want to go on with anything too dark. I literally don't know where any of my stuff is. So I guess we'll just go on with the Rihanna in the shade 330 to line our brows. I normally don't use this, so hopefully it's not ugly. Little natural brows-esque thing going on. I'm gonna go on with the Rihanna in the shade 310. I'm really not knowing how this hair is gonna come out. I have great faith in it, but then again, oh no. Now I'm gonna just take my Morphe sponge and dab it in. And you guys, I'm telling you guys, I really like that Dove. Okay, so before I decide if I'm gonna use more foundation, I'm gonna go on with this 330 shade to kind of go on any of my blemishes. What I like to do, because I have these lights, I have two lights on, just the vanity light and a ring light to the side. I like to kind of go closer into the mirror so I can make sure that it looks good. But you just need to make sure it looks good in real life, because the last thing you want to do is show up to a party and you think you're showing out and you're just showing out in a bad way. You dig? But I'm just contouring my nose with Rihanna in the shade Mocha. Okay, y'all, so I found what I wanted to contour my face with. It's going to be NARS in the shade Hazelnut. It's pretty dark, but y'all, I gained a little weight. Fake it till you make it. Boom, tada. I'm gonna blend it out with the Real Techniques brush. And then after I do my contour, I'm going to highlight my face with Rihanna in the shade 300. Like, glitter always works. Glitter is always a vibe. I'm trying to get this lighting together, you guys. To go down the bridge of my nose, I'm gonna use the bamboo. And I'll just make a line. Might bring that line on the sides of the nose just as well. Before I go in with the shade 300, I'm going to just add this same bamboo shade under my eyes. Because when you go on with the cream, then you go on with your cream, then a liquid concealer, gives you more of a flawless look. We're gonna go on with the shade 300. And I just like to kind of, I don't add too much because a lot kind of goes along, like a little goes a long way. So those are all the real areas that I put it on, and I'm gonna actually take my beauty blender this time and blend that stuff out. For finally setting my face, I'll just go in with that same brush that I used to blend out my contour, and then I'll just blend out the little harsh lines. I had been using a big fluffy brush to contour, but today I want to look more snatched, you know, for the party, so I'm just going with both. And I just want a more concrete, sharp line. We're gonna take our Cover FX powder. This is our full coverage. But yeah, y'all, are you guys excited for Christmas? What did you ask for? I love to ask that. Like, what did you ask for? People are just so different. Now that I'm getting older, it's like, I mean, yeah, of course, I always want stuff, but I'm just so happy to have my family. My daughter, my husband and I, we were just like looking at our daughter, and she was just making us crack up laughing, and she's just such a fun baby. She's so cool, so fun to be around. And it's just like, as we get older, your wants and your needs and your desires change. So like right now, I just desire to give her the best life, you know? Yeah, I just want her to have everything that she wants. Right now, she just wants milk and a clean diaper. Like, once you have a child, if you guys don't have any kids, once you have a child, he or she, they're gonna change your whole way of thinking, you know? Last year I was pregnant. I wasn't enjoying anything. Food was so, like, you know, the smell of home cooked meals literally made me throw up. This year I am Miss Fat Ass and I love to eat. So I'm just so excited. It's a new year. It's about to be a new year. Within a year, a lot can happen. Like, I have my baby, you know? This is going on our 2nd year in this house. So yeah, it's just awesome. We bought this house, FYI. What we're going to do is put a duplex in the back, rent out this front house, and then rent out the duplexes, and just get our ultimate dream home. So this is like our investment property. So yeah, I'm just excited. Like, life is good. Yeah, I don't think I want to do much when it comes to makeup look today. So after this, I believe that I'm gonna go on with like a shimmer, because I'm not trying to do anything too fancy. Little bit of like a darkish brown color. So I'm gonna use the e.l.f. that I always use, just in this like brownish shade. We're going to smile, add it to our cheeks. Now let's just spray our face really quickly. Then we're gonna do the highlight. It's a pretty ridiculous highlight. Ridiculous in a good way. Okay, before we do our lashes and stuff, let's work on our hair. So I really don't even like putting foundation on my forehead, like, really anymore. I don't know if it's just me. Let me know if that's like you too. But whenever I put foundation on my forehead, it's just like too much. All right, so for now that works. All right, let's see what these girls looking like. They're very still kind of wet. We're gonna do baby hairs. For what? To kind of make sure that the baby hairs stay baby hairs all night, Otherwise, if I use the mousse, it would possibly. So what I'm gonna just do is kind of take my fingers and just kind of further spread apart the curls. Have these super cute, these ones are from Mirror Pass, these little holiday hair clips. I think it's perfect day to use them if I'm going to put them in. Little gold. It's kind of cute. It's festival-ish. It's kind of a little kitty with this wig. How you liking his hair?
I like it.
You really tell me anything though. I should do that video where I do my makeup horribly to see how my husband reacts, because he's always like, you just look so beautiful. Thumbs up if you want to see that video. Babe, what color lipstick should I wear? Lolita?
Whatever makes you happy. You might not have it.
I do have Lolita. Red?
I don't know.
You do know. So this is the final look of my Get Ready With Me. I did a twist out on my wig. Headed to a ugly sweater party. I really don't feel like putting on the ugly sweater because I feel like it's probably going to ruin my little outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, and have a safe New Year. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.